Hello, you are welcome once again to Math and Actuary with Shadrach. In this episode, we are going to look at some statistics that you should know or you should be aware of before you even plan on sitting for your first actuarial exams in financial mathematics or probability. No matter the actuarial path you are taking, either you want to belong to the SOA or the CAS, exam FM and then exam P are two fundamental exams that apply or runs through any of the actuarial organizations. And I think most people who are in the entry level of the actuarial journey, be students in the university, find it difficult to pass most of the actuarial foundational exams in probability and then financial mathematics. So if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, kindly give me a subscription. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I release a content on the actuarial profession, you don't miss out. So in this video, we are going to look at some statistics that any beginner in the actuarial profession should consider paying attention to. I mean, if you know the statistics about certain exams, it determines how motivated you are to study for those exams. We will look at exams FM, exam P. We'll consider their statistics. We'll look at effective ways to study to pass them. So for each exams, we are going to look at the average passing rate. We'll look at the lowest passing rate, and then we'll look at the highest passing rate. For exams FM, the lowest passing rate was 41%, which happened in the year 2014. And in the year 2020, in the month of May, they recorded the highest passing rate of 68.1% with an average pass rate of 48%. It means that out of every 100 students that take exams FM, only 48 is assured to pass on average. And it can be seen from the graph that over the years, the passing rate has been constant. There has not been a significant increase in the passing rate. So that's what you can see in the graph. Exams P, on the other hand, has the lowest pass rate to be 34.9%, which occurred in the year 2008, the month of March. Their highest rate came in the year 2020, the month of March, with 64% passing rate and an average of 43%. So if you pick randomly 100 students who sit for exam P, only 43 is assured a pass on average. Compare the two exams, we see that exams P has a lower passing rate compared to exams FM. Looking at the average pass rate, it could be said that exams P is more difficult than exams FM because the number of students that pass on average for exams FM is higher than the number of students that pass on average for exams P. However, exams P has been experiencing rise in the passing rate over the years. So you can also see this from the graph. The question now is, which of the two exams is difficult and what strategies do I adopt to study for these exams? I can say both are difficult. However, depending on you, the student, how you study, and most people fail these exams because they are in a rush to take the exams. They don't even bother the level of the preparation. They are in a hurry to just take these exams. And I think this is one reason why students normally do not get a pass in their first actuarial exams. So if you are considering to take these exams, make sure you have the good resources, so you have enough time to study. Solve more questions so that you'll be familiar with the concepts. Kindly give me a subscription, invite more people to follow this content. I'll see you in the next one.